Introducing the DG G2000L portable power station. The DG G2000L is a versatile powerhouse that boasts an array of output options. Equipped with 2 DC ports, 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB QC 3.0 port, 1 Type-C port, 1 car charging output, and 2 AC outputs, this portable power station can simultaneously charge up to 9 different devices. Be it smartphones, laptops, cameras, or other gadgets, you can rest assured that your power needs are well taken care of. However, the DG G2000L offers you multiple ways to recharge it, making it suitable for various scenarios. You can use the included max adapter to charge it from a wall at home or rely on a PD charge adapter if you prefer. If you are on the road, simply use the car outlet adapter that comes with the package, perfect for RV trips and road adventures. Additionally, for the environmentally conscious, the DG G2000L can be charged via solar panels, weighing in at only 17.5 kilograms. The DG G2000L is a lightweight and compact outdoor solar generator. Its small size and portability make it a breeze to transport, making it an excellent choice for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, or any situation where you need reliable power on the go. The built-in LED light offers 3 modes: high, low, medium light, an SOS signal, and strobe function. The DG G2000L is designed with advanced technology to optimize its performance. It features MPPT, maximum power point tracking control, to extract the maximum power from solar panels, ensuring efficient charging. Additionally, it incorporates a sophisticated BMS, battery management system, that extends the battery's lifespan, providing a long-lasting and reliable power source. With these high-tech features,